Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gloria. Gloria, that's me. Hi. Yesterday it's Random Monday and I'm back with another video. It's called a blindfold makeup challenge, and I think I got this idea from Kian and Jesse. I love these guys so much. They're so fun to watch. Yeah. So basically all you do is that the other person has to be blindfolded and they do your makeup, and that other person happens to be me. Because there are two people, but I'm alone. Suck it up. Yeah, so the other person who's going to be doing my makeup is me, and the person who's going to be blindfolded is me, and the person who's going to be done makeup on is me. Isn't that cool? Let's get it though. These are the things that I'm going to be using. I have a concealer which I bought 2 years back. That is how far I don't know anything about makeup, and pretty much it's done. I think I bought this 2 years back. I have this that I bought 4 years back, and can you imagine I haven't even used it. I have mascara which I bought like I think a year and a half back. It's almost there. Lipstick. I think let's just do it. I'll get the camera closer. So I'm going to be blindfolding myself. Oh my god, I have too many colors in this video. This is me. I don't really have any makeup on. You can see my eyes are swollen. That is because I sleep a lot. Yeah, so I'm going. Oh my god. And my lips look like cracky. Yeah. So I'm going to be blindfolding myself. I did the makeup on myself. How does this work? First of all, I think I'm going to throw everything down because they're pretty much like on a table that I'm seated on. So here we go. I can't see a thing. Well, that's the purpose. I'm not supposed to see a thing. Oh, mama, my. Oh, no. Don't tie it tightly, Gloria, please. I'm suffocating. I can't hear. Then no one is going to talk to you anyway. So what am I supposed to begin with? I can't even see what I'm holding. Oh, I know this is concealer because I know it's in a tin. I feel like this I can see. No. I don't really know. No, this is the old one. I didn't want to bring this because I know you guys are going to call me out. Like, you don't wash your hair.
Okay. This is what I usually do. I just use concealer. I don't even know. And it's kind of finished. I use concealer. I don't even use foundation. Because I don't want anything. Like, I don't want too much stuff on my skin, to be honest with you. I just want something that is light. I don't always want something that I will feel. I just want something that I won't feel. I want to feel like pretty much I have my own skin. So my left. Oh my god. That. So I lifted there. It's a shopping cart. You guys always sit there and talk to yourselves, or sometimes you talk to animals and be like, I do talk to cats. I swear this doesn't make sense at all. I think I'm just being random. But you guys sit there and be like, sometimes you talk to yourself, or sometimes you just look at something and you're like, how does this even function? Like, sometimes I look at the small insects and then my mind goes like, this doesn't even have, like, it has a tiny tummy, so how does it eat? Like, where does its food go? Like, I can't really see where it pops from. That is always... Okay, I think this is a bronzer. And that is always my main concern. Like, I'm always there curiously wondering, like, okay, what if they eat like a lot? Do they get bloated? Because me, I know they're supposed... I don't really know which color. I don't even know where the camera is at this point. But I know that I have to hold it up. I honestly don't know which color I'm going in for. But I know it's not supposed to be a brush. And then I go like, they eat, when do they poop? Okay, maybe they do poop, but how much are they supposed to eat? Do they know that? Of course, I know this is mascara because it's the only biggest thing that I have. And between, I don't know, this is the Chateau Swan, so I know it's a lip liner. And then I'd be like, do they get bloated? Because for me, if I happen to eat like, so I'm confused now. One of them is supposed to be a brow pencil, and another one is supposed to, no, this is for the eyebrows. And my eyebrows are here. Where's the camera? I can't even see it. Okay, it's here. Can you see me? Okay, so these are my eyebrows. Oh Lord, have mercy. So I go like, do they get bloated? Because I usually get bloated, that's why I drink a lot of green tea. And then I'd be like, so if, oh my god, that is too much. And then I go like, if they do get bloated, how would, like, what cures them? You know, those are the questions that always go in my mind. Sometimes I look at someone, like maybe we're having a conversation or something, and I swear to God that is the only thing I keep on thinking about. And people always think that I'm looking at them straight in the face. I think this one is supposed to go on before the could see. But I'm not always looking at anyone. Like, my mind is always wondering. Or sometimes I see the birds, and then I'm like, do they really know that this is my family? Or like when they meet each other, they are pretty much like, oh, we are brothers and sisters. Then sometimes I talk to the cats and I be like, hey, what's up? And then, oh yeah, I put this off. But I can't see, my eyes are closed. I think by now I'm just used to the fact that I'm supposed to have this on. I feel something here. And then I go like, oh, I think most of the times, because there are very many cats here, then I talk to them, I be like, hey, what's up? And then it doesn't reply, then I be like, is it really saying like, shut the fuck up, like, leave me alone? Or it's like, hi? Or do they really understand that? But sometimes when you talk to them, especially cats, when I say hi, oh no, this is not supposed to go on the lips. It's supposed to go on the eyes. I can feel it. When you say hi to the cats, I think they understand because sometimes you just see them coming closer and closer. It's supposed to be for the lips and it's a black lip liner, so I'm supposed to go later. I'm not even facing the camera, I don't know. And then I go like, they come close to you. And sometimes I feel bad because in my mind, like maybe they're coming close to me because they think that I have something to eat that I'll give to them, and sometimes I don't even have what to give them. So I feel guilty. I'd be like, did it come close to me because it's looking for someone to talk to, or it's hungry and it thinks that I'll give it something? Okay guys, I'm sweating a lot. By a lot, I mean I'm sweating a lot. And then I'd be like, I swear, I don't really know if I'm doing the right thing or the right thing. I think what I'm left with, this is pretty much my makeup routine. I have this, but it's supposed to be for my eyeliner. So I'll carefully take off this blindfold without opening my eyes and... Oh, it's too bright. So how am I supposed to do this without opening my eyes? This is a fail. And sometimes they be like... Oh boy, how am I supposed to open my eyes? I think I'm trying it. I'm at home by the way, so I think people are just doing their own business if you happen to hear noises. Yeah, I'm still telling you. And sometimes I feel guilty. Let me see.
Oh my god. I look like a clown. Whoa. Oh my. How did I do my lips? Okay, not perfectly, but close to perfect. Okay, but I think the only thing I've nailed is the lips. It's not that I've nailed it, but it's kind of okay. Look at the eyebrows. It's up here. Oh my. I look like I'm so pale. Whoa. Did it get noticed? Yeah. Look, it's an artist. Hope you didn't see me look like an idiot. Yeah. I was thinking, like, you guys think those stuff, like, then sometimes, like, I'd be like, well, it's mad at me, I didn't give it something that it really wanted, it wanted to eat, and I'm like, I feel bad, then I say, I'm sorry, I don't even have anything to give you, and then part of me is like, you really think it understands what you're saying? Does that really happen to you all? I'm the only one. Oh my god, I look so stupid. No. Yeah, but what else do we have to do for this video? There is nothing. And by the way, if you want to know how I made this top out of a huge t-shirt, I have a video. I swear I can't say what. I can't focus because I look so stupid. I pretty much want to close my eyes for the rest of the whole video so that I can't see myself because I can see myself in the screen. But yeah, that was it for you guys. I'm not going to look up there, I'm going to look down. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. I do post a new video every Monday and Wednesday. Monday for the random videos, Wednesday for the DIYs. So till next Wednesday, Monday. No, yeah, till next Wednesday for the DIYs. Oh my god, look at me. I look horrible. Bye. Check out the link for the way I made this top in the description below. Bye. I'm out.